In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred one more Kashmiri youth in Shopian district today. The troops martyred the youth during a cordon and search operation in Shirmal area of the district. The locals took to the streets against the killing, who were retaliated with fire by the troops. A senior police officer confirmed the firing by the troops. Indian government has decided to set up FM radio stations near the line of control and international border to wage the propaganda against Pakistan and the ongoing Kashmir freedom movement. The decision was made by the Indian Home Ministry. People's Democratic Party Chief Mehbooba Mufti, in a statement in Srinagar, rejected the former Congress leader Ghulam Nabi Azad's assertion about Article 370 and said that Jammu and Kashmir's special status would be reinstated one day. Mehbooba Mufti's daughter Iltija Mufti, addressing a function in Jammu, called upon the Modi government to hold talks with Pakistan and the All Parties Hurriyat conference to find out the permanent solution of the Kashmir dispute. She also suggested opening of Jammu and Kashmir borders to make the region an economic hub. India's Supreme Court today dismissed a petition filed by the father of a fake encounter Kashmiri victim, Amir Magre. However, the court ordered the authorities to pay Rs 5 lakh to the victim family in compensation. Legal experts ridiculed the Indian top court's ruling and said that the compensation itself proved that the victim, Amir Magre, was innocent and was killed extrajudicially. Amir Magre, along with 3 other innocent youth, were martyred by Indian troops in a fake encounter in Hyderabad area of Srinagar in November 2021. IIOJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement, urged the international rights organizations to put pressure on India to release all illegally detained Hurriyat leaders and activists languishing in different Indian jails. Former IIOJK convener Mohammad Farooq Rahmani's new book, Kashmir Ke Khoon Chukan Mawasal, Bloody Months and Years of Kashmir, has been launched in Islamabad. The book throws light on the past and present of the Kashmir dispute.